Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Temu. Super easy and simple. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Afterpay app and then search for Temu. Once you type in Temu, Temu should come up. So you just need to click on it. Once you click on it, you will be taken to Temu shop. So on there, you will need to choose the items that you are going to purchase and add them to your basket. So once you add them, you click on checkout once you are ready, and then Temu is going to ask you to log in. So you will need to log into your account on Temu, not only on Afterpay. It might send you a verification code in order for you to log in. So you will need to enter the code that they just sent you as a text message. So once you add it and log into your account, it's going to take you back to the checkout. So here is your order confirmation. So from here, you can see the payment methods that you can use. So as you can see, ClearPay, which is Afterpay, is there for you to choose. So you'll just need to click on it and go from there. So basically, this is how you can use Afterpay on Temu.